I've been fixing leaks since 1975. I'm doing nothing but that. We work across SOS, pays tax to 21 states across the northern part of the country, and we fix leaks, everything. Steam, water, gas, acids. As most of you guys will know, steam and water drives the industrial world, so it also, lots of elbows, lots of flanges, lots of things like that leaking. Then we get a lot of the odd things because we're some in the petrochemical, but we're also in the agri industry, so we get a fair amount of sulfuric acid and hexane, solvents, things like that, that probably a little different than some of the petrochemical. But at the end of the day, steam and water is the main thing most of us fix, and that's what we've been fixing. Service I get from Deacon, whether it's you or Greg or just right down the line, whether it's shipping or anything, is not compared to anybody else. So when I first started, when we first started fixing leaks, we were mixing Copal-Tite with whatever we could sweep up off the floor, pump it in. Dust, metal dust, BBs, pieces of asbestos back when you could still buy it, things like that. Then I found mixed sealants from Chemola. I started using those. They were okay. Their level of service was nothing compared to what I found when I found Deacon. And after I found Deacon, I never went back to anywhere else. They've helped us out through the years with, just the responsiveness. As you know, leak repair is a 24-hour day, 365 days a year. They needed you 5 minutes ago. So when we call these guys, they get us what we need to get. They help us out figuring out what it is we need to get. They have a lot of different specialty sealants. They help us out with compaction rates, volumes, things like that, that we're out in the field or we're driving to a job. They get some of this stuff done for us ahead of time, figure it out so that when we show up, we're ready to rock and roll. The sealants either showed up at the site or at our shop before we've left. So I can't say enough good things about the service, and that really goes a long way when you're trying to work across the country like we do. What I found with Deacon products over when I was mixing my own and then when I started buying Chemola was that they have a variety of products that allow us to pick that temperature range and not get things so hot that it gets hard. And it's been a big seller for us. And I always tell my clients, they ask how long it's going to last, this or that. And I don't know, and I don't want to give them a permanent thing because there's insurance, there's all kinds of variables out there. It just is what it is. But what I can tell them safely is that one good thing about leak repair is that we can always come back and repump it. Basically, that's because of the sealants we use and the help that we get from them in picking the right type of sealant to use. So the fact that we can come and repump it if it ever needs to, either with the initial sealant we pumped it with or they have other things that we can get in there with, that's been a big help and a big sales thing to all of our clients. But yeah, as far as leaving things on there are some things that can just stay on for a long, long time, and the beauty is they can be repumped.